Okay, so in the last video we solved the questions up to question number 4, right? So today we will be solving question number 5. All right, so let's take a look at the question. The question says in figure 6.19, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So what I want you to pay attention here is that POQ is a line. So a line means it is straight line, so 180, and perpendicular. So the term perpendicular here means perpendicular angle is always 90 degree, correct? And OS is another ray that lies between OP and OR. Is it okay? That is between OP and OR. Is it okay? So now the question is asking you to prove that angle ROS, that is this angle, is half of angle QOS, that is half of this angle. Is it okay? Let me put an asterisk mark, minus this angle POS. Is it okay? So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to break up the figure in a simple term. Alright, but before doing that, let's write down the information given in the question. So given POQ is a line, this is the information given, so let's write it down. And the ray OR is perpendicular to PQ, correct? And to prove is that we are asked to prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Is that okay? Yes. So different teachers, they will have different ways of solving. All right, but I will give you the simplest one. All right, it may be a bit lengthy, but I'll give you the simplest one where you can easily understand them. All right, so the first step here is I'm going to break the figure up into two parts. I'm going to break up the figure in two parts. All right, so POQ, it is a line, and OR is perpendicular, right? So perpendicular angle is 90 degree, correct? So let's write down here our angle POR plus your angle QOR is equal to 180 degree, because these two angles, they form a linear pair. Is it okay? So your angle POR plus your angle QOR is 90 degree equal to 180 degree. That gives angle POR equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Is it okay? Yes. So now we have angle POR now, correct, which is 90 degree, and OS is a ray that lies between OP and OR, right? So POR is divided into angle ROS and POS, right? So let's break them up. Angle POS plus angle ROS equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 degree, correct? So now let's go back to our proof. To prove is that ROS, right? So we got ROS here. So this ROS, I'm going to keep it on the left hand side. Is it okay? Will be equal to 90 degree minus plus angle POS on transforming become minus angle POS. Is it okay? This one I'm going to take as equation 1. All right, and now again, is it okay? Again, let's go to the second part of the figure, that is angle QOS. We need this angle, correct? QOS, and this angle QOS is divided into how many angle? It is divided into two angle, that is again ROS and QOR, right? That is angle ROS plus angle QOR. Is it okay? So your angle QOS is equal to angle ROS plus QOR is 90 degree. So since we need angle ROS, I'm going to transfer plus 90 from right side to left side. So on transferring, we get angle QOS minus 90 degree equal to angle ROS. Alright, or I'm going to change the side. That is angle ROS, I'm going to bring it to left side, equals angle QOS minus 90 degree. Is it okay? This becomes equation 2. Alright, I'm going to put this as equation 2. Now the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, we get, so what do we get? We get that the left side are angle ROS from equation 1, and from equation 2 also angle ROS, equal to the right side is 90 degree minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus 90 degree. So from here what we notice is that plus 90 degree and minus 90 degree cancels out. Angle ROS plus angle ROS is 2 times angle ROS, equal to, writing the positive term first, we have angle QOS minus angle POS. So from here what we get that angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Is it okay? So this gives angle ROS, wait, so 2 and angle ROS is a product, so product on transform becomes division, right? So this gives angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. That is taking 1 as common factor from the numerator and this denominator 2, taking it out. Alright, so this gives angle ROS equals. Is it okay? So I hope this is clear to all of you, right? It is quite simple. The important thing here is you should know how to break up the figure into parts and simplify them one by one. Okay, it is very easy. I hope this is clear, right? Okay, let's go to question number 6. Alright, so our question 6 says, it is given that angle XYZ equals 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, then find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. Is it okay? So our first target here is that our first objective here is to draw the figure. Now the question has given that angle XYZ is 64 degree. So based on that, I'm going to draw a 64 degree angle. Is it okay? That is like this. That is X, Y, Z. That is, this angle is 64 degree. Getting? And XY is produced to point P. So this XY, it is extended to point P. Is it okay? I hope this is clear, right? Kindly take a scale and pencil and draw the figure properly. Alright, now the ray QY, that is QY bisects angle ZYP, right? So what does a bisector do? That is, a bisector divides a given angle into 2 equal half, correct? That literally means this and this angle will be equal, right? That is angle PYQ or QYP and angle QYZ. These two angles, they will be equal. Is it okay? So now we need to find angle XYQ, correct? That is the sum of this angle. Is it okay? I'll use a pencil. Alright, we need to find this angle. Alright, and we need to find the reflex angle for this one. Is it okay? So reflex angle means an angle that measure more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, correct? So our figure is all set. Now well, let's write down the information given in the question. So given is that your angle XYZ equals 64 degree, correct? And then XY is produced, it is produced to point P, and then YQ bisects angle ZYP, right? So what do we need to find? To find is that we need to find angle ZYP XYQ, sorry, angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. Is it okay? We need to find them. Is it alright? So now I'm going to break up the figure again here also. Alright, so let's take PYX. Alright, now this angle XYZ is 64 degree. So the sum of this angle and this angle will form a linear pair, right? So you write down here your angle XYZ plus your angle ZYP is equal to, linear angle is, sum of linear angle is 180 degree. So let's write down the reason as linear pair. So angle XYZ is 64 degree plus angle ZYP equals 180 degree. So from here angle ZYP equals 180 degree minus 64 degree. That gives you angle ZYP equals to how much? 180 minus 64 degree. That gives us 10, 7. 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 6, 1, 1. That is 116 degree. Correct? Yes. Again, what we have here is that your QY, this QY bisects angle ZYP, right? It bisects angle ZYP, so it will divide this angle ZYP into two equal parts. That is angle QYP equals angle QYZ. Is it okay? So you write down now. Your angle ZYP is how much? 116 degree. Now ZYP, angle ZYP this is divided into two parts, right? Because of Q, that is QY bisects angle PYZ, right? So you can write them as angle QYP plus angle QYZ equals 116 degree. Correct? That is, let's take this as equation 1, so you can write down next step. Wait, okay, so now your angle QYP is equal to angle QYZ, right? Plus angle QYZ equals 116 degree. That is from equation 1. What I did is that angle QYP is replaced by angle QYZ. So angle QYZ plus angle QYZ is 2 times angle QYZ equal to 116 degree. 2 and 116 cancel. 2 5 is 10, 1 in hand. 2 8 is 16. Correct? So that gives angle QYZ equal to 58 degree. Is it okay? So we got this angle as 58 degrees. So can we calculate angle XYQ or QYX, right? Therefore, your angle QYX here will be equal to angle QYZ plus angle XYZ. Now this will gives us angle QYZ is 58 degree plus angle XYZ is 64 degree. Correct? So this upon adding gives us 58 degree plus 64 degree. 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 in hand. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, right? That is 122 degree. Correct? So we got the first value. Now again we have to find a reflex angle. Correct? So also reflex angle QYP will be equal to, now the reflex angle will be the sum of all the other angles. So from angle QYX, correct, this angle combined together is how much? 122 degree. and on the down part angle PYX, correct, below, this is a straight line, so it will be 180 degree, correct. So this gives us 122 degree plus 180 degree gives us 2, 8 plus 2 10, 1 in hand, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, that is, it is 302 degree. So reflex angle is more than 180 but less than 360, so we got 302 degree, which is more than 180 but less than 360 degree. Alright, so I hope this is clear, right? Now let me give a brief review again regarding the reflex angle. Alright, so for the reflex angle, correct, this PYX, this whole angle, this part is 180 degree already, right, because it is a straight line. And then we have here QYZ, angle QYZ from the above, QYX, correct, QYX, sorry, from the above we calculate it to be 122 degree, right. So reflex angle QYP will be the sum of all the other angle, that is 122 degree plus 180 degree, which is 302 degree. This is our answer. Is it okay? I hope this is clear to all of you, right?